Here's how to upgrade your iPhone to iOS 26. So you're going to want to go into your settings first off, and then inside of here, it's going to be inside of your General tab. So scroll down until you see General. From there, you're going to go down to Software Update. Now inside of here, it might automatically check for updates. If it doesn't, then what you can do is sort of click and drag down until you see that little icon, and then let go, and it's going to check for those updates. You'll probably see an update possibly for the current iOS that you have. But if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see also available the ability to upgrade to iOS 26. So you go ahead and tap on this, and then you can choose when to update. So update now or update tonight. If you select update now, it's going to go ahead and download and then update that. If you don't have enough storage space, then plug your iPhone into your Mac and it should let you download the update and install it without having to take up more room. And so that's how you can update to iOS 26.